Aloha, I'm Brody of Kauai Path. Now that Rice Street divisions are complete, you'll see more people bicycling in Lihue, the heart of Kauai. Take a look at this picture. You might be uncertain about what this painted marking on the road is. This is called a sharrow. Sharrows indicate the preferred line of travel for bicyclists to take on the street. The sharrow, a mix of the words share and arrow, reminds us that bicyclists and motor vehicles will be sharing the same travel way. Unless specifically prohibited, bicyclists are entitled to share roads and streets, with or without sharrows or other signage. They're typically placed 11 feet from the curb where there's on-street parking. That guides cyclists away from the door zone, the area where an abruptly open car door can become a collision hazard. Where there is no on-street parking, sharrows indicate riding 4 feet from the curb. Riding in the travel lane keeps bicyclists away from debris at the street's edge and discourages unsafe passing by motor vehicles. Pu'ole and Malaya Streets use sharrows and link Ho'olako Street to bicycle-friendly Hardy Street and the new shared use path between the War Memorial Convention Hall and Wilcox Elementary School. Those quiet streets provide an alternate travel route for bicyclists reluctant to ride on the more heavily used Rice Street, especially when pedaling uphill. But why should people ride bicycles on the street instead of using the sidewalk? Isn't it dangerous? Well, Kauai County Code states that riding a bicycle on a sidewalk in a business district is prohibited. In practical terms, sidewalks are designed for pedestrians, not for bicyclists' speed of travel and limited maneuverability. Bicyclists are considered to be operating vehicles, and so they legally have the same rights and responsibilities as other drivers. Also, bicyclists should know that things flow smoothly when everyone is courteous to others on the road. That requires scanning the area, making sure that others can clearly see you, and they can tell where you're headed. The people of Kauai Path wish to see the community use the sharrows as an advantage to further safeten bicyclists and other car drivers on the road. If you'd like to learn more or get involved with the Kauai Path organization, go to www.kauaipath.org.